Your girl is back with a week type of vibe, and yeah, I'm just ready to take you guys with me on this vlog. I'm at Ochuna restaurant and bar. Come down the slide. Let Auntie see you down the slide. We're at the BTL park before we go over to karaoke. Yeah! You did it! High five! Yay! Go again, let me see. Alright, so I'm finally heading over there now. I went to take my niece for a little playtime, and I'm about to head over to Ashuna now. It's another day. I'm about to go into my life. This is my first time going in there. So around this area. Then they have like Yeti cups for $30. Must be nice. How do you tell like if it's original though? Like how do you know? Is the right original? Is the original Yeti cup? Pink is my favorite color. So if anyone wanna buy me anything for Christmas, get me a pink Yeti cup. Mystic Boutique is my first time coming in here as well. They have Christmas decorations in. These are so cute. $25 for it. They have really nice nail stuff for persons who are interested in nails though. So that's a good thing. Kind of pricey though because I could get these cheap on Shein. Have nail section here. You got different stuff here. Like the foot spas. Here. So I ended up getting these. I don't know why I came and I ended up getting that, but they have like a lot of nail stuff and so forth, so that's that. Morning guys, I woke up with a terrible headache. Like since last night I've been having this headache.
You want to put it here?
It's still there, so I don't know what's going on. I went to the market and I forgot to vlog and I just remembered. What is it? y'all, I am out caroling. We're going in different communities and we're just asking persons for donation. It's to give back to the public either way, but yeah. So I just got this gift basket. I'm gonna open it on TikTok, but I'm also gonna show you guys once I'm done what I have in there. But I just wanted to show you guys this since I'm making such a long week video. So yeah, I'll be back. Alright guys, so here's everything that I got. So I got this little chocolate thing here, nice chocolates. And then I got this nice little mug thing right here, which is so cute. It says 12 hours cold, 12 hours hot. And then got this wine here that we're going to try on TikTok. Follow me on TikTok. And then I got this Merry Christmas Best Wishes cup. And last but not least, we got this buttered cookies, which is good. Like, that's everything that I got. So yeah. Ooh, the sun is sunning. All right guys, so today is December the 14th and we're out here on the boulevard. We're waiting on the Christmas parade to come this side. I'm really hoping that it stays this way because lately this weather has been going up and down. Like 1 minute it's raining, 1 minute it's sunny, and it's just like a bipolar type of weather. So I'm really hoping that it holds up because it was just drizzling.